Hello students, welcome to Europe Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So many congratulations to many of the students who have been shortlisted for the interview by Mobile Limited. Okay, so you can see here the notification, recruitment of graduate trainee mines and graduate trainee mechanical and manager survey. Okay, so they have provided the list of candidates shortlisted for interview based on ऑनलाइन टेस्ट हेल्ड ऑन 17th of September 2023. ठीक है, तो 17 सितंबर को जो एग्जाम हुआ था इनका, ठीक है, उसमें जो बच्चों ने क्वालिफाई किया है इंटरव्यू स्टेज के लिए उनके नाम इस लिस्ट में प्रोवाइड कर दिए गए हैं. ओके, सो यू पीपल कैन सी हियर द लिस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स. सो द रोल नंबर, नेम एंड डेट ऑफ इंटरव्यू इज मेंशन्ड हियर. ओके, सो अनिकेत इज देयर and date of interview is 6th of November. So kindly check your name in this list and note down the date of interview, and you have around 1 week for the interview. Okay, after 1 week these interviews are going to start. Okay, so you know in interview also we have to perform well so that we get final selection. Okay, getting interview call is not getting a final offer letter. Okay, you have to clear one more stage. You have done it earlier, so you can do now also. Okay, a little efforts are required which you have to do for this interview. Okay, तो जिनका भी यहाँ पे शॉर्टेज हुआ है अभी जल्दी से सारे बच्चे अगले 1 वीक तक इंटरव्यू की अच्छे तरीके से प्रिपरेशन करेंगे. ओके, अब इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन में यहाँ पे कोर जो आपके सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, ठीक है ना, सो दे विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, माइनिंग इंजीनियरिंग, सर्वे. ओके, तो यहाँ से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. And other than these questions, there will be some general HR questions also. Okay, so it will be a combination of all the different things related to the job which they can ask you in this interview. Okay, now within 1 week how you can prepare for this interview so that your performance improves. Okay, right now जो भी आप अगर आप आज के दिन इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं तो जो आप परफॉर्म करेंगे, ठीक है, अब आपको 1 हफ्ते बाद उसमें इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए. राइट, 1 हफ्ते के अंदर आपको कुछ ऐसा करना है ताकि उसमें इंप्रूवमेंट आ जाए और आपके सिलेक्शन के चांस ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएं. राइट, सो इसके लिए आप ये जो मैंने पॉइंट्स बताए हैं इन पे वर्क कर सकते हो. एंड अदर देन दीज पॉइंट्स यू कैन आल्सो प्रिपेयर विद योरपीडिया. ओके, फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू. ओके, यू नो योरपीडिया एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड मॉक इंटरव्यू फैसिलिटीज फॉर डिफरेंट पब्लिक सेक्टर्स. ओके, फॉर डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स and many of the students join Yourpedia for their preparation. Okay, now the important thing, most important thing about this job is that in Yourpedia we have a senior mentor who has experience of around 30 years of working in mining sector actually. Okay, so one of our mentor is retired from Coal India Limited, having more than around 30-year experience in mining sector, and he is from mechanical background actually and worked in mining sector. So this will help you a lot if experienced person is going to ask questions from you in your mock interview. Okay, so definitely this will be very helpful for the students of mining and mechanical engineering and survey. In survey we have many mentors. Okay, those who have worked with Indian Railways or any other organizations and now they are in this mentorship profession. Okay, so this will really help you if you go for some mock interviews with these mentors. Okay, so again I am telling you, we have dedicated mentor for this mining, okay, mechanical and civil, all branches. Okay, so you will get this opportunity to go for mock interview with those people and definitely it will improve your performance because they will provide you feedback also regarding your preparation, how you perform in the interview, and that will definitely increase your selection of final selection. Okay, selection for this job. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Again, many congratulations to all the students who have been shortlisted. Okay, good luck.